everybody. Okay, I'm coming at you with an exciting video. I'm so happy about this video. Okay, so I've got all new stuff that I've never tried. Okay, there's two things that I've tried. I've tried Pop Rocks, and I've tried these little watermelon, or not watermelon, Jello little cups. I've tried these. Everything else is brand new to me. I'm so excited. Okay, so I want to try. I bought 4 different flavors. These are like Jello waters, I guess. I don't know, Jello waters. I got coconut flavored. I've got mango, I think. No, that's passion fruit. I think it's passion fruit. I don't know. And I've got here, oh, lychee. I believe that's lychee. Looks like lychee. And a grape. I'm going to try the grape. So excited. I'm going to shake it up. Oh my god, I love grape. So it's got like little Jello pieces in there. I don't know if you can see it, but it's got like little Jello. Tastes like it actually tastes like these things, like the little Jellos, but more liquidy. That's good. Okay, what should I try first? I'm gonna try this right here. This is like a spray that you spray in your mouth, and it's like a sour spray. So it's very sour. That's fun. That's cute. Very cute. Most of these things I got at Five Below, and then some I got at like an Asian store. Okay, up next I'm going to try, I've been looking at this. This is the icy squeeze candy. Alright, let's try this. I didn't open this one. There's a couple that I didn't open already. I should have had them more prepared. Oh well. Okay, so this is icy squeeze candy. Ooh, it's like... That's kind of sour too. That's good. It's really sour, but it's good. I need some. Oh, actually, you know what? I'm gonna try a different flavor. I'm gonna try this one. This is the coconut. Can you see the? Can you see that in there? The little Jello bits. It's good. So yummy. So far I think that's like my favorite. I really like grape, but this is my favorite so far. It's really good. Okay, up next I'm gonna try this super sour double drops. Looks like that. It's a kickback day for me. I'm not doing anything today. I just kind of figured, oh, I'm gonna throw some makeup on and maybe make a video and ruin my teeth. Yeah, it was just a kickback day for me. So, this is what it looks like. You open up the little, ooh. So one side is watermelon, one side is green apple. Okay. Oh. Ah. So far, that's the most sour candy. Woo. All right, time to try a different drink. This one is, I think it's passion fruit. I don't know. Can you see it? That's what the label looks like. These are good. I should have refrigerated them, but I didn't. Okay. Tastes like, kind of tastes like mango. Kind of tastes like mango and like a citrus, like an orange juice, kind of. What is this? I don't know. Okay, well, I like it. Okay, I'm going to do a Pop Rocks. I think I'm going to do the green apple Pop Rocks. I've tried this before, obviously. This is like old school stuff. But here we go. This is the green apple. Can you hear it? I don't know if you can hear it. I can hear it in my ears. That's cool. I like that one. I haven't had Pop Rocks in a while, so that was really good. Okay. Up next. I have two of these. I have a, what are they called? Sour slime. Cherry and green apple. So since I just did a green apple Pop Rocks, I'm going to do the cherry. And there's a helicopter going by. Good thing this isn't an ASMR. Because then I'd have to pause it. You're just kicking back with me today and watching me eat my candy. Okay. I did bring a fork, a little plastic fork. Because I'm not sure how this is. Ooh. Oh. Okay, I think it has, what is that? Oh, it's got a, oh, okay, it's got a little scoop in there. So I don't need this, okay. And then it has like, kind of like the old style, like, pop top for your drinks. This is like old style, I don't know. That's how they used to have your, like, drinks. Okay, so sour slime. Alright, let's see how slimy this is. Can you see that? Ooh, okay. This can get really messy. Okay, here we go. Ah. It is sour. I like it. I don't know why I like it so much, but I like it. It has like a texture of like honey. Alright. Put that lid back in there, or that little back in there. Oh, will it stay there? Hope it stays there. Hope it doesn't go inside the slime. I mean, it's slimy, but I was kind of hoping that it would be like thicker slime. Like slime, I guess. Why come this isn't going back? You have to snap it in? I guess you have to snap it. Okay, this is another thing I've tried before. These are the little jellies. I love these things. Absolutely love these things. So yummy. So you open it up. And then there's like little pieces of fruit in there too. Maybe it's, ooh, I'm making a mess. Can you see the fruit in there? Maybe? Right there? Maybe on the side? Okay. Anyways, you squeeze it. I think this was a strawberry flavor. Strawberry's so good. But my favorite, oh, I don't know, I think they're all my favorite. But I really like the lychee one. So yummy. So yummy. You can see the fruit in that one, right in the corner right there. Okay, here we go. So much fun. Okay, so I think it's time for another sippy poo. So I'm gonna do this one, and this is the lychee drink. Can you see the floaties in there? All right. I think this is lychee. Ooh, some went down my throat. I almost started choking on that. Mm. Almost went down the wrong pipe. Almost. You would have had a really great video after that. I would have been choking. Okay, up next is, this is mini gummy sushi. Down is that Five Below. How fun is that? Okay, so this thing, if you eat the whole thing, is like 900 calories. What? People allow their kids to have that much calories? Okay, I guess so. So this is what it looks like. Let's open it up. Such cute packaging. Ooh. Oh. Get down in there so I can show everybody what you look like. Ooh. Wow. Oh my God, isn't that amazing? That is amazing. Okay, what is this? I don't know what that is, but there's like little, maybe they're noodles, I don't know. And then what's this? Okay, well, let's just give it a shot. Let's open it up so you can see it. I'm really anxious to try this because I actually touched it and it's like marshmallow underneath. It's like a marshmallow. It's like a, and then it's got a little fish. So let's try the fish. Hard. Okay, I can take it or leave it. Let's try this. Okay, this one has marshmallow too. That looks like seaweed wrapping it. But it's like a sour belt. Yeah, that's a sour belt. Alright. Let's see what this is. Ooh. That's an unusual taste. Hopefully this isn't. I'm sorry, this is not a win. This is like a little gumdrop. Oh! Wow. Hear that crunch? I was not expecting those crunches. Okay, what's this? Huh. Okay. Oh, hard too. For taste-wise, this is not very good tasting. Okay. I'm just glad I didn't pay a lot of money for it. This is not that great. The taste is not that great. Okay. As I lick my fingers. Alright, I'm going to take another taste of the grape drink. Alright, let's try. Well, let's just get these out of the way and try this one. This is like a Chinese takeout box. And there is candy noodles in here, it says. That. Ooh. See the noodles on the back? Got all kinds of stuff in here. Ooh. Okay. Let's try this. Some noodles. This is much better tasting. Okay. Ooh. So I got, I think it's a shrimp. Shrimp, I think. It's like gummy. And an egg. How fun is that? Look at that egg. Alright, what else we got in here? Well, that egg is kind of hard. Hard to chew. Let's try some more noodles. I like the noodles. The taste of the noodles are good. Okay, this is taking forever to chew. I almost kind of want to... I'm gonna spit it out. It was way too hard to chew. Okay, here's a bunch of noodles. Oop. They don't slurp like noodles. Alright. I've been dying to try this. These are popping candies. And I guess there's 20 pouches in here. They must be really small pouches because it's not very heavy. Alright. I know. Don't use your teeth, I know. So there's green apple and strawberry flavors in here. Okay, there's both strawberries. I'm going to green apple. Strawberry, strawberry. Are they all strawberry? Oh, there's a green apple. Okay. I want to try the green apple. I wonder if these are better than like Pop Rocks. Not better than Pop Rocks. A little more sour than Pop Rocks, but they're not better than... The Pop Rocks pop better. Yeah, those are definitely sour, but not very poppy. Alright, let's try the strawberry. Nah. I'm not impressed. Alright, let's try this lychee again. No, this isn't lychee. I don't know what this is. Is this lychee? No, it can't be lychee. I think this is lychee. Oh, this is coconut. This is lychee. Coconut. I like the coconut. Coconut tastes really good. It actually tastes like fresh coconut, like fresh coconut. Okay, let's try the Crybaby. I know this has been around a long time, but I've never tried it. There's 5 flavors, extra sour candy. Look like that. I know they've been around, but I haven't, like I said, I haven't tried it. Crybaby. Who remembers that movie, Crybaby? It was a Johnny Depp movie, Crybaby. It looked like little tiny teardrops. This extra sour candy. Not until you get down to like the bare powder of it does it. Woo, but it is. That is sour. Once you bite it down, like the first part, it's just like kind of sweet, and then once you like get it down to a powder, that is sour. Ooh, that is definitely Crybaby sour. Yes. All right, getting down to that was sour. Getting down to the nitty gritty. Okay, here's another one of these little jellos. This is a mango flavor. I love this flavor. Looks like that. Yummy. Okay, let's try this. I'm down to the last few. Let's try this green slime. This is a green apple slime. Let's try this. I know, don't use your teeth. I know. Alright, so we pop it open. There's a little spoon inside. Pop it open like this. Isn't that fun? So fun. It's a lot of candy. Wish I had a little kid in my life that would help me enjoy this. Because there's a lot left. Okay. Pop the spoon out. Ooh. Okay, here we go. I wonder if this is going to be more sour than I think the other one was cherry. It looks just more like slime. I think that's why maybe I like it more, because it looks like that green slime. Very sour. Maybe I should have called this one like a sour video. But it's not all sour. I don't know. Okay, last thing. This is the Juicy Drop gum. Ooh, it's gum. So it's got like this sour thing in there. And then you like put some sour slime stuff on gum. I think that's what it is. Juicy Drop gum. Sweet bubble gum and sour gel. That's what it is. Okay. How do I open it? Oh, open it from the back. Oh, how cute. How fun is that? Look at. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bubble gums, and then you have the sour thing in the middle. So let's. How do you get the sour thing out? My mouth is salivating from all this sour stuff. How do I get this out? I swear a kid would be able to get it right away. But how do you do it? Oh, that doesn't. I almost tore the bag. Okay, so you take you take it out like that. Okay. All right, let's try. This is my last candy, so good that it's gum. Here we go. Gum. Come on, gum. It's adult proof. What the heck, man? There you go. Ooh, look, it has like a little, what is that, cavity for it? And then I guess you just kind of, let me get up here. And you see it? Pour it into the little canal right there. That is definitely sour. Ooh. The gum isn't that great. The sour stuff is good. Maybe it's the sour stuff that's throwing the sweet stuff off. Doesn't have a texture, like almost has a texture of like soft happy. Does that make sense? I don't care for that. Okay, well that's it. That's all the stuff that I tried for new, and I am pleasantly surprised on most of the things. Some things were kind of like I don't know, like these gimmicky kind of things. They were kind of gimmicky. But for the most part, everything else was pretty good. I enjoyed it. So, okay, until next time, I hope you all enjoyed this video. I will see you all later. So you all take care. Cheers, and take care. Bye.